want your child to be a genius, make discoveries, and solve big world problems? Then you must listen to what Elon Musk has to say. Hi, my name is Dr. Poonam. I'm a psychologist, a parent coach, and an upcoming author. And in today's video, I bring you 4 success tips shared by none other than Elon Musk. These tips will help you develop a growth mindset in your child. I'm sure you already know that Elon Musk is a billionaire entrepreneur who sold his first computer program at the age of 12 and founded many well-known companies like PayPal, SpaceX, and Tesla. He is known to constantly challenge the norm, expand his horizons, and constantly discover newer possibilities. So if you have been wondering what does it take to make a child success ready, then who better than Elon Musk to learn from? So here we go. Encourage children to seek new ideas. Encouraging children to think and innovate is one of the most essential traits of the growth mindset. Encourage your children to seek, learn, experiment, fail, and try yet one more time. Elon is said to have absorbed the whole encyclopedia as a child. If not an encyclopedia, you can surely nurture reading habits in your children. Introduce them to books that help expand their horizon, giving them new ideas and insights. Create opportunities from complaints. Help your children see a complaint from an entirely different perspective. When they complain, ask them to pay attention to how they can resolve it. Encourage them to be creative and look for a solution. With this attitude, they will start seeing complaints as an avenue that offers solutions. Flipping the complaining to creation mindset will help them succeed in all spheres of their lives. Inspire them to try something new each day. Inspire and challenge them to go beyond the obvious. The whole idea is to encourage them to break the shackles of conventional thinking and lead them towards exponential thinking. Fear of failure stops children from trying and eventually they stop thinking innovatively. So allow them to take risks in their capacity. This will also help them break free from their set limitations. Teach them the importance of failure and seeking feedback. Elon believes that it is important to have a feedback loop where you're constantly thinking about what you have done and how you could be doing better. The reason children refrain from trying new things is because of the fear of failure and fear of being judged. They don't seek feedback because it is usually given in a very harsh tone. So be gentle when you provide them with the feedback. With this, you will encourage them to try new ideas, fail freely, and seek feedback, which is vital for their growth. Success is not just about gathering luxuries and comfortable living. Success is about positively influencing the lives of billion people. When every parent nurtures a growth mindset in their child, we will have a generation of Elon Musks creating innovations each day and contributing to humanity. I hope you will follow Elon Musk's success tips and raise a genius back home. For more such high-powered tips, follow my Instagram account at Dr. Poonam. To avail my consultation on any parenting challenge that you might be facing with your child, DM me your name and number or email me at poonam@rollercoasteredu.com and my team shall get in touch with you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Until then, stay happy and be intentional.